South Shanghai, as China become more wealthy, luxury goods become part of everyday life, and luxury cars such as Audis, BMWs and Mercedes are so expensive here due to the 100% import tax they impose, and that makes it practically double the price that we pay back home. But if you can't afford the $100,000 for a basic BMW, you could always invest in one of these bad boys. It goes by the name of the Wuxing ATM. It's not strictly a car, it's not strictly a bike, but some kind of hybrid, featuring 12-inch wheels with high-profile tyres, easy to access battery, very easy to top up the fluid, give it a recharge. Just in the middle there you can see the view of the 175cc engine. You've got a box here, put your belongings in, safety box, and you've got plenty of room to take some boxes up to the tip. And on a day like this, 37 degrees, you've even got a sunroof for some personal air conditioning. And it looks like here is where you put the petrol in. Look at that, easy to get to. And I love the handlebars in here, or steering wheel, whatever you want to call it. Imagine how fun that would be. It'd be a go-kart. It's like motorbike handles. This would be amazing. It's got a single wiper. It's had the one wiper conversion at the front here. I know this three-wheeler retails for about £1,000. In my opinion, it's the best three-wheeler I've seen since the Reliant Regal. Imagine how fun that would be riding this around town. I have to praise the designer for having the balls to show this to his superior. It tops out at about 38 miles per hour and boasts a 175cc engine. The Wuxing ATM is hoping to take some of the luxury car brands market here. What do you think? Would you buy a BMW or a Wuxing ATM? Let me know in the comments below.